In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a voiceover in Murf Studio. By the end, you'll feel confident turning a written script into a polished, natural-sounding voiceover using Murf's built-in tools. Start by signing into Murf Studio and creating a new project. Click Create Project, then pick the format that fits your goal. VoiceOver only is perfect if you just need an audio file. VoiceOver Video lets you pair the narration with visuals for timing and context. Slides is great for presentations that need consistent pacing. Don't worry if you're unsure. Your choice simply sets up the workspace, and you can still adjust your content as you go. Next, bring your script into Murf. You can type directly into the text editor, paste from another document, or import a Word or plain text file. If you're pasting or importing, give your text a quick tidy. Break long paragraphs into shorter chunks, use punctuation to guide natural pauses, and separate sections by topic so they're easier to manage. Clear formatting up front makes editing and timing much smoother later. With your script in place, it's time to choose an AI voice. Murf offers hundreds of voices across many languages and styles. Use the filters to narrow by language, gender, age, and use case, like e-learning, narration, or ads. Think about your audience and the mood you want. Warm and conversational for tutorials, steady and neutral for training, or energetic for promotional content. Audition a few voices to hear how they handle your specific wording, especially names, acronyms, and numbers. Now customize the delivery. Adjust pitch to make the voice brighter or deeper, and fine-tune speed for clarity without rushing. A slight volume boost can help quieter reads, but avoid clipping by keeping levels moderate. Add emphasis to keywords so important points stand out, and insert pauses where a natural breath or beat would make the message easier to follow. If a word isn't pronounced correctly, use the pronunciation editor to guide it with phonetic hints or spell out alternatives. Small, precise tweaks usually sound more natural than big changes. Hit preview to listen inside the studio and iterate. Play back one section at a time, then the whole script, and refine your settings based on what you hear. If a sentence feels flat, add a touch of emphasis. If a line feels rushed, slow it slightly or add a brief pause. Repeat this preview and adjust cycle until the voiceover flows smoothly from start to finish. That's it. Your script, your voice, customized exactly how you want in Murf Studio.